Welcome back, friends. We shall now solve the system of linear inequations. There are two linear equations. Now we shall find the common solution of these two inequations. Friends, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel. Friends, first of all, we shall take the first inequation. 2 times of twice x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 times of x minus 2. Okay, or we can write 4x plus 6 minus 10 is less than 6x minus 12, or 4x minus 6x plus 6 minus 10 plus 12 is less than 0, or 4x minus 6x, that means minus 2x, plus 6 plus 12, that is 18 minus 10 is 8, less than 0. We take negative 2 common, so in bracket x minus 4, which is less than 0. Now friends, we divide both sides of this inequation by negative 2 so that this inequation sign will be interchanged. So we shall get now x minus 4 is greater than 0. Friends, since x minus 4 is greater than 0, we can write x is greater than 4. That means from this inequation, we can write that the solution of this inequation is x belongs to open interval negative positive 4 to positive infinity. Okay, x belongs to 4 to infinity. We can again write this in this way also: 4 less than x less than positive infinity, since x is greater than 4. Second inequation is this one: twice x minus 3 upon 4. We write it again here: 2x minus 3 upon 4 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 2 plus 4x upon 3, or 2x minus 3 upon 4 minus 4x upon 3 plus 6 minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 upon 4 minus 4x upon 3 plus 2 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, or take the LCM, that means 12. So this is 3 times 2x minus 3, that is 6x minus 9, minus 4 times of 4x, that is 16x, plus 4 12s are 48. So we can write 6x minus 16x, that is negative 10x, 48 minus 9, that is plus 39, whole divided by 12 is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Now friends, since in the denominator there is 12, so we can multiply both the sides of this inequation by 12. So there will be no change in this inequation sign since the number is positive. So negative 10x plus 39 is greater than or equal to 0. Minus 1 common from this inequation. So this is minus of 10x minus 39, which is greater than or equal to 0. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, then we shall get 10x minus 39 is less than or equal to 0, isn't it? Because we have multiplied both sides by a negative number. Or we shall get from this 10x is less than or equal to 39. That means x is less than or equal to 3.9. X is less than or equal to 3.9. That means the solution of this one is, that means x belongs to negative infinity to 3.9 closed. This is semi-open interval. Okay, negative infinity to 3.9. Here it will be closed because the equality sign is put here. So friends, now we have two solutions. We shall plot both of them on the real line. Say this one is the real line, and the left side is for negative infinity and the right side is for positive infinity. Okay, so friends, from the first solution we find that 4 less than x less than positive infinity. So the first critical point is here 4. Okay, and the second critical point from this one, this is 3.9. so before 4 we shall have to put it here. This is 3.9, say. Okay, this is 3.9. This point is included but 4 is not included. For this we have discarded this. Now friends, first solution is 4 less than x less than infinity. 4 less than x less than infinity. That means the solution is from 4 to positive infinity. Okay, this side. And from the second solution we find that x is less than or equal to 3.9. That means negative infinity to 3.9. So the solution zone is this part. Now there is no common part of this solution. One is because there is a gap between these two solutions. For this there is actually no solution. The answer is no solution.